Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. As the Chinese New Year just in front of us, so today I'm going to make dim sum. This kind of dim sum I make today is called siumai in Indonesia. And also, I'm going to share how to make the chili oil to accompany the dim sum. So let's get started. First, let's make the chili oil. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use. So here I have bay leaf, dried Sichuan pepper, garlic, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon stick, vegetable oil, cinnamon powder, chili powder, 5 spice powder, roasted sesame seed, sugar, salt, chicken bouillon powder, and dry chili flakes. For the dry chili flakes, I'm using here the mild spicy. You always can use the spicy one. So let's make it. First, I'm going to add the oil. Before I turn on the heat, I'm going to add all the spice, bay leaf, star anise, Sichuan pepper, cinnamon stick, and cardamom. Let's turn on the cooker. Medium to low. So this will cook the spice slowly. So let's just give a little stir. And now I'm going to chop the garlic. Add the garlic. Cook it until slightly golden brown. The sweet smell already came from the star anise, cinnamon, and cardamom. The garlic is already golden brown, so I'm going to add the chili flakes now. Give a little stir. And add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. This is optional if you like spicy. 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, and stir it. And now I'm going to put the heat into medium and add chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of sugar. Stir it. Now it's ready. Let's turn off the cooker and add 1 tablespoon of the roasted sesame seed. I'm going to put it in the jar now. Let's put it aside. So now let's prepare the siumai. First, I'm going to introduce you to all the ingredients that I will use later. And here I have white egg, fresh water, tapioca starch, sesame oil, soy sauce, I'm using the Japanese one, oyster sauce, minced prawns, minced chicken thigh, chicken bouillon powder, salt, garlic, onion, dumpling skin, green beans, spring onion, and carrots. If you would like to see for the full ingredient measurement, please check my description below. So let's make it now. First, I'm going to grate the carrot. So just peel it a little bit, the skin. So I think this is enough. This grated carrot I'm going to use later on the top of the siumai. So let's put it aside. Next, let's blend the garlic. So I just cut it into small chunk. Add the fresh water. Blend it until smooth. That's done. Let's put it aside. So now, let's prepare the green bean, spring onion, and onion. I start with the green bean. First is just take the hard part You don't have to add the green beans in your siumai. You also can add bok choy or mushroom or any kind of vegetables. I prefer green bean because the color is green. And also I like this vegetable. Slice it thinly. Let's put it aside. And now slice this spring onion. Now let's chop the onion. So now all the ingredient has been prepared, so let's mix them all together. I start with chicken, prawns, white egg, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon powder, and I add half teaspoon of salt, chopped onion, spring onion and green bean, garlic that I blend earlier, so I'm using all so nothing less, and mix them all together. Make sure everything is well combined. And the last one, I'm going to add tapioca starch. This tapioca starch will make the siumai chewy. So now this is ready. I'm going to turn on the steamer. While I'm waiting the steamer, let's wrap the dim sum. Take the one dumpling skin and put the filling inside at the center. And then squeeze it. And just give a gentle press. And it's done. I apologize about the rains, but we still keep going, and now I'm going to put the carrot on the top of the dim sum. So the steamer is ready. Let's add the siumai. So I just putting the baking pepper. Make sure to give the space from one to the others. I'm going to steam it for 20 minutes in the high heat, and I will back soon. So it's been 20 minutes and now the dim sum is ready. Smells so good. So let's plate it. First, I will put the chili oil. So here we are, siumai. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. Wishing all my Chinese viewers a very happy new year. Gong Xi Fa Cai and Matur Suksma. Bye bye.